Alright, so here's the units at the Wells Fargo. This one's a Carrier. It's got a GE fan motor. I kind of got to make this quick. Whoa! That's a big compressor if I've ever seen one. Big old scroll. Copeland scroll. These are both heat pumps here. Here's the accumulator. And the reversing valve. This one's a commercial model. It's from 2008. And 60,000 BTU, 5 ton. And this one's a older Tech 2000 looking one. This one's also got a GE fan motor, and it has a Copeland compressor down in there. A leaf just fell on the thing. Let's see, this one has I don't know. I don't feel like reading that. This one's from 2002, and it is, I believe this is a 5 ton as well. 3.5 ton it looks like, so this one's a little smaller. Pretty nice units. Have they been running or not? This one has a sight glass. Yeah, they haven't been running. Both heat pumps. There's the Carrier badge. Let's see the RPMs real fast. RPM 825. The RPM on this one is, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? If I could find it, dadgummit. I don't really feel like finding it. But this one, these fans actually spin clockwise instead of counterclockwise. That's how Carrier units go. Alright, get a quick shot of the install. This one's less of a hack job, but no better. This one's kind of fudged up. This one goes into the ground and then there. Alright, I gotta go. Alright, over and out.